sir. Good
How are
morning,
you?
sir.
How
Good
are you
morning.
all? How are
Fine,
you?
sir.
Yeah, enjoy the holidays.
Subbareddy sir, make a
Yeah,
host
sir.
subcon sir, all present sir. Thank you
Okay,
sir.
sir. I can continue. Okay. Yeah, where we stopped in the last class. What is our last topic? Hello.
Data types.
We started.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll see one by one. What is there? What is meant by data types, and then how we are going to be declare the data types here. In Python language, it will be provides the varieties of different varieties of data types are presented in the inbuilt. They will be provided here. That means we already know that. Can anyone say what are the different types of data types are there in C language? You learned. I think you already learned. Na? For that reason, asking. What are the data types you learned in the C language?
Basic, derived, enumeration, void.
Void. Then
Basic,
basic, int, float, char is not there. Long, short,
double.
double is there or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
same thing here also will be consists of a different types of data types are there. Different types of data types are there. I think it's visible for you.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. In the last class, I says that your data type is nothing but it is a type of object which will be presented inside the particular the variable. For example, I'm going to be write here a is equal to 10. Within this, what is the variable? What is the value? Variable is value is.
A is variable.
A is
sir.
a variable,
Value is
10 is value.
A is a variable and then 10 is a value, which will be stored in your variable. For that value, must and should we have to know the which type of data type it is. We have to know which type of data type it is. Now, same things here. A is equal to, I can write string, for example, yes. Now, within both the terminals, which one is variable, which one is string, which one is value? A is equal to yes. Which one is variable and then which one is value? Anyone? Yeah, give the response. Which one will be the variable? Which one will be the value?
Two are variables, sir.
Two are also going to be considered as variables. Why? Because of it does not represented here. If it is a value, we know that it is maybe a int, maybe a float. It is a string. It does not define here. Must and should we need to going to be quoted and maybe a single quoted or double quoted. Then only we can say that it is a string. Okay, we'll see here. Here, we already says that will be consists of the different types of data types out there. That is for text data type, it is for string. For text type, it is for string. In previous one, in C language, it is for character. C language low character and above. Here, it is going to be considered as a string. Numerical types, that is for numbers. One it is for int. Another one it is for float, and then the complex. Int, float, complex. We can see what else they are. Again, that one sequences types. Sequence types is nothing but list, tuple, range. That means the thing which you are going to be written in a order format. The things which you are going to be written in a order format, that things is going to be considered as a list, tuple, and then the range. Now, mapping type. Mapping type is nothing but dictionary. Mobile phone lo man number select chestuntamu, that is terminals is going to be considered as a dictionary. Set type, that is for set. set as well as the list will be the same. Origin state, present state, Boolean type operation, true or false. Then binary types, bits, bit arrays, and memory values. These are the different types of data types are there in your Python language. In your Python language. Okay, is it clear? I think you written up to here.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll be see one by one. We will be go here. First, we'll be go for numerical types. Later, we went for the string. Okay. First, we went for numerical data types. And then later, we went for the test type. Please, all of you keep the heading numerical data types. Numerical data types. Numerical data types. Numerical data types. Please write down. The Python program provides, the Python programming language provides, the Python programming language provides four numerical data types, four numeric data types, four numeric data types, four numeric data types. They are first one int, second one float, third one complex, fourth one bool, B-O-O-L, B-O-O-L. Here I will write the names once again. One it is for int, and then second one will be the float, third one will be the complex, and then fourth one will be the bool. Okay, these are the four types of data types, four types of numerical data types which are there in your Python programming languages. Now we'll be see one by one. What is meant by int? What is meant by float? What is meant by complex? And then what is meant by bool? Okay, we'll see. Yeah, completed. Babu, names raskunnara all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll be see. I think you have some idea about numerical data types already. Can anyone say what is meant by int? Int and element in Babu? Int is nothing but
Integer, sir.
integer. I does not get it. Can you repeat once? Hello. Yeah, tell me. It may be a true, it may be a false. No problem. Tell me.
Int does not
Integer,
contain
sir.
decimal points, sir.
Integer does not contain. Tell me. Does not contain
Decimal points, sir.
decimal point. Exactly. That is for or otherwise a without any fraction part. That means all numbers without a fraction part is going to be considered as a your integer. For example, I'll write here 10 is an integer, 12 integer, 14 integer, 15 integer, 15.6, 12. Either 15.6 is an integer or not.
No, sir.
Why? It will be consist of a fractional element. Fractional element in the kabatti, it is not going to be considered the number as a integer. Here, don't forget that int is nothing but integer. All the numbers which you are going to be represent without any fraction value, then it is going to be considered as a integer, or otherwise int. Now, please, we'll be check it here. Now, second one, the float is nothing but float and whatever. Float is nothing but
With fraction values.
with fraction values. The top int is nothing but without fraction values. Float is nothing but with the fraction values. Now see here 10.12 and the 10.23, 10.45. Then it is going to be considered as a complex one. That means float values. That is going to be considered as a your float values. And then now see here. Now, complex one. Complex one.
It is the combination of real and imaginary numbers.
Yeah, good. All the numbers which will be contains real and imaginary numbers, then it is going to be considered as a complex numbers. Then it is going to be considered as a complex number. That means running real time lo poyetvanni is not a complex numbers. Maximum we are going to be considered here. I think in your physics we already written here 10 plus 3i or otherwise 3j or otherwise 10i plus 3j, like this it will be available. Okay, these numbers are going to be considered as a complex numbers. Complex numbers. And the last one is there. Last one is there. That is for bool. Here, bool is nothing but we will be consist of Boolean operations. Boolean operations, how many values will be get? Boolean lo em operations to say about anyone? What are the values will be there for Boolean? That's all.
True or false?
Will be considered only the true. If the condition will be the true, it will be satisfied. Otherwise, it is going to be considered as a false here. Either the false can be written all are small letters, or the first one will be capital letter or not. మొత్తం అన్ని స్మాల్ లెటర్ రాయాలా క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ ఏమి ఇండికేట్ చేయాలా? హలో, గివ్ ది రెస్పాన్స్. బూలియన్ టైప్ లో ట్రూ అనేది ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టి రిమైనింగ్ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ పెట్టాలా, మొత్తం అన్ని స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ వస్తాయా? In the last class, I clearly specified the first letter most should be capital letter for Boolean operations. Okay, either may be a true, either may be for the false also. Okay, these are the terminals. Now we'll see the real time how it is going to be checked here. Here for checking the type of data type, don't forget here. How a type and kanukunedaniki em chestunamante simply we are going to be considered here type of within the brackets type of within the brackets ఏ దాన్ని టైప్ కనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటామో just we need to going to be write your variable. We need to going to be write your variable. That's all. అంటే see here. For example, if I specify a is equal to 10, if I specified a is equal to 10, I need to going to be find out the type of a data type. A data type అనేది ఎలా ఉంది కనుక్కోవాలి. Then we can write here for printing the output, print within the brackets type of a. Type of a. Then we will be get here which type of data type it is. Okay, is it clear up to here? Is it clear? Or any doubt within this one? Any doubt within this one, please? Any doubt or it's clear? Shall I show the real-time examples?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can write it here. Now, please say the program now. I am going to be considered the 4 variables now here. Yes, give me a second. Now, I'm going to be considered the 4 variables. A is equal to 10, and then B is equal to 20.05, then C is equal to 10 plus 3j, and then D is equal to false. D is equal to false. These are the 4 types with respect to the 4 examples I considered here. Now, can anyone say how to find out the type of this one? Can I ask someone? Roll number 307, roll number 307, roll number 307, 307. Yeah, 307. Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How can I find out the type of A? Type of A ni ela find out chestunam? ఏది ఏ టైపు ఏ డేటా టైప్ ఏ విల్ బి ది విచ్ డేటా టైప్
Integer, sir.
ఇంటీజర్ కెన్ యూ షేర్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ హౌ టు ప్రింట్ ది డేటా టైప్
Print type of a.
print brackets open type of a That's all. Now we'll run the program. See here. What is the data type? It is int. Roll number 26. Roll number 26.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can you say for D?
Long yeah.
Can you say for D?
Sir,
D key which data type it is? Which data type it is?
B, sir.
D is which data type?
Bull, sir. Bull.
Bull. We'll check it once. I'm writing all the terminals, and then we need to go into check each one by one. Print the type of B is missing. Write the B, or otherwise will be considered one by one. Control X. Control V. Control X. Control. Now run the program. See here, the first one, A is int, B is going to be considered as a float, that C is going to be considered as a complex, and the D is going to be considered as a your bool operation. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can. Shall we write for start code for this one by one? Yeah, first one, please keep the first one int. Please keep the first one int. Int lo values ఎలా ఉంటాయి bro? How the values will be there in int? The values will be there in int. Int lo values ఎలా ఉంటాయి?
Whole number, sir.
Only without fraction numbers are going to be considered as a int numbers. Now, right, please. All the numbers, right, for int. All the numbers without fraction part or decimal value or decimal value within the brackets example 10, within the brackets example 10. In the brackets example 10. Second one, float lo ela untayi babu? How the float numbers will be there?
Fraction number.
Fractions and decimal.
It will be contains fraction number as well as the decimal number. Now please write them there. All the numbers with a fraction value or decimal value. All the numbers with a fraction value or decimal value. Completed. Example will be within the brackets, right in the example 10.5, 20.5 something. Completed?
Yes,
Give the
sir.
response. Next one. What is the next one?
Complex.
Right on the next one. Complex. Complex means how it will be there?
The combination of real and imaginary numbers.
All numbers, right on the for the complex. All numbers with real and imaginary numbers or imaginary values. With imaginary values. All the numbers with real and imaginary values. Example 10 plus 3j. Example in the brackets, example 10 plus 3j. 10 plus 3j. Last one. Bool. B-O-O-L. Bool. Bool. Okay. Please try. How many values are there for bool?
Two
How many
values.
values? What are
True
they?
or false? True or false?
Two are good. Good. Right on there. Bool values. Bool values. Bool values. True and false. True and false. True and false. Now, please write on this example. Please write on this example. This will be the program, and then this will be the output. Please write on this one. Do it fast. Then after completion of this one, please inform. Please do it fast. Yeah, complete it. Completed or not?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yeah. Shall we move to the next topic? Next one, next data type. Yeah, give the response here. Shall I move or rather wait?
Completed, sir.
Now, please keep the next heading. String data type in Python. Keep the next heading. String data type string. String data type in Python. In Python. Next heading. String data type in Python. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Here, see here. Here, a string is nothing but the sequence of the characters. That means the words. When they give words, for example, if you are going to write your name, it is also going to be considered as a character. Actually, in other languages, we are going to be considered as a character. But in Python, we are going to be calling it as the character as the string. The character as a string. Here, it is going to be represented by string is going to be represented by like this. That is for str. The previous one for integer int, for float directly float, for complex complex, for boolean it is for bool. Same thing for string, we are going to be represented like this. That is for str. Here str will be represents the string data, the type. Okay, now within this programming, how it is going to be represented means a string is a sequence of characters which will be enclosed within a single quoted or otherwise a double quoted. It may be a single quoted or maybe a double quoted here. Now please see once here. Now I'm going to remove this one. See here. A is equal to just I will write my name, hi, for example. And then I'm going to be print this one. Print the type of A. May I know what is the output for this one? Anyone? What is the output
String,
you are?
sir. String.
See here. Destroying error. The reason why it is throwing the error means must and should the string is going to be enclosed with respect to the either maybe a single quoted or double quoted. If now see here string, it either may be enclosed with respect to the single quoted or double quoted. Don't forget a single quoted or double quoted. Just to give me. It may be a single quoted or double quoted. Now see here, it is a string. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How it is going to be enclosed? Then to enclose already, the character will be enclosed with
Single quoted or double quoted.
single quoted or double quoted. Then only it is going to be print your the messages here. And then one more thing. If I have, for example, if I have see here. If I have multiple lines, see here. If you have multiple lines, then I need to going to be check this one. Then I need to going to be check this one. Either we can use single quoted or double quoted also. See here. Manaku sometimes sir నాకు 10 lines data on this sir. I need to going to be give the 10 lines data to the particular single variable only. Then we can give like this also. A is equal to double quoted. We need to write 10 line statement. Then at the end we need to going to be give a double quoted. That also is going to be acceptable here. Is also a string. String ante only oka word e kaadu. Can use multiple lines also as a string. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
In C language, either it is possible to maintain the multiple number of contents. ఎక్కువ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ని పెట్టుకునేదానికి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా సి లాంగ్వేజ్ లో? either it is possible, yeah, tell me, yeah, speak, either may be right or wrong. I think you already learned the C, na? Then tell me, either it is possible to write the huge number of characteristics and assign to a variable. Possible అవుతుందా కాదా? In C it is not possible. 100 lines తీసుకొచ్చి డేటా తీసుకొచ్చి వేసాం అనుకోండి, ఒక వేరియబుల్ డిఫైన్ చేయడానికి it is not possible. But here it is possible. In your string Python programming, it is possible. Okay, we'll see one by one how to slice, how to write the multiple lines. We can see one by one. Please note on the first point. A string is a sequence of characters. A string is a sequence of character data character data which are enclosed which are enclosed in either a single quote, a single quotate, that is QAT, a single quote or double quotates, a single quote or double quotate, a double quotate, full stop. Right in the next second line. String how we are going to be represent this string? String represent chestunam babu. What is the shortcut for representing this string?
str.
Yeah, you write in there. The string data type in Python. The string data type in Python. The string data type in Python is represented as you can represent it as str. You can represent it as str. This point, this line. In Python, a string can contain as many characters as you wish. Okay, please write the example. One example. This is very just write it here. That is for welcome. Otherwise, good morning, all. Good morning. Please write it. Find out the class. Please write this example. Please write this example. Please write this example. A is equal to good morning all. Print type of A. Either we can write either maybe within the single quoted or within the double quoted also we can write it. Yeah, inform me if it is completed. Tell me. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now. Yeah, now please. Now see, next heading. Slicing of strings. slicing, that means SLICANG, slicing of strings. One of the other type within this slicing of strings. Slicing of strings. Slicing of strings. Now, please, here I will write something first. That is for a mechanical. I'm going to be right here mechanical. Now, may know what is the length of this particular string. The string length ఎంత ఉంది బాబు? Can anyone? What is the string length of the string? What is the length of the particular string?
10, sir. 10, sir.
10. Confirm? I will check it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means slicing is nothing but piece by piece. Piece by piece is nothing but your slicing. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క దాన్ని separate చేసేసుకుంటాం. One word, like your array. Collection of words is nothing but array. Like this, we are going to be slicing here. One by word, second word, third word, fourth word, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9. Like this, we are going to be slicing the each and every word. Slicing the each and every word here. For example, now see here. All right. Simple word I am writing considering here. For example, first తీసుకుంటున్నాను బాబు. F I R S T. How many letters are there? Length ఎంత ఉంది బాబు ఇప్పుడు?
5, sir.
5 length here. Here, don't forget here, 5. When you are going to become the indexing from backside onwards, indexing అనేది backside నుంచి వచ్చారనుకోండి, -1, -2, -3, -4, and then -5. When you are going to be do the slicing operator from backside onwards, and backside నుంచి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు it will be appear like this: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. When you are going to be move from the front to side direction, that is from left to right, left నుంచి right కి వెళ్ళారు అనుకోండి, this is for here, left to right, it is positive. When you are going to be move from right to left, it is for negative. Here, when you are going to be start to move the indexing from left to right, then the values will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. వీటిని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే ఇండెక్సింగ్ అంటాం. That means the indexing is going to be represented with the help of your brackets. Brackets తో square brackets తో start అవుతాయి. Slicing operator అంటేని square brackets తో start అవుతాయి. Here, the indexing number is always going to be start with respect to the 0. It is always going to be start with respect to the 0. When it is going to be takes from left to right. When it is going to be takes from right to left, it is going to be start with respect to the -1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Left to right తీసుకుంటే indexing ఎలా ఉంటుంది బాబు? When I am going to be taking the indexing from left to right, what is your values? When I am going to be take the indexing from left to right, what is your value? Starting value ఏమొస్తుంది? Left to right తీసుకుంటే
0, 1, 2, 3.
Positive values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to left తీసుకుంటే
-1, -2.
చూడండి బాగా చూసుకోండి. లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ ఇలా వెళ్తే 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్ వచ్చినాం అనుకోండి, the values will be -1, -2. Negative values will be up here. Okay, now we can see Sir, either it is possible to know that one. Yeah, it is possible. Now see here. I will write here. For example, I'm going to be write here instead of a good morning mechanical, write here. Directly you can write here mechanical. Mechanical, for example. Now it is type of A will be the string only. It will be appeared, no problem within that one. It does not require type here. Just give me a second. I need to reload once. Now see here. A is equal to mechanical. We already said that 10 words, 10 length words are there. Now we can check it here one by one. We can check it one by one. Now see here. Print. I'm going to be printing the output here. Print. I need to going to be print H value. Only H value కావాలి బాబు. What is your indexing number? Only H value కావాలి. Indexing number ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి. Consider always consider left to right. H value index ఎంత number ఎంత? What is the value of H? Value of H?
3.
3. That means we already say that it is going to be start with respect to the 0. M will be the 0, E will be the 1, C will be the 2, and then H will be the 3. Now see here, print A of square brackets. Don't forget here, A of 3. Rounded brackets babu, we need to going to be right here. When we are going to be do the slicing, we need to use the square brackets. A of 3. Print here. See here. It is for H. Same like this. You can print whatever you require. Print A of square brackets. I required. See here. I required only MECH. I does not require ANICL. Or otherwise, I required after H. H tarvata em unnayo ai kavala. Then use 3 and use your colon, double dot colon. That's all. Run the program. See here. HANCA. No, I required before H. Keep it in before of 3. Run the program. See here. ME. Okay, whatever you required, we can keep it here. See here, other than 10, I will keep 11. Then it will throw the indexing out error here. It will be thrown a error for us. That's right, it will be thrown. Okay, this is for, it is going to be considered as a slicing of your numbers. Slicing of your numbers. Here it is throwing error. Why? Because of here the string indexing out of range. The meaning is we have only the 10 numbers are there, but I give it the 11th. For that reason, it is showing the error for you. Okay, it shows the error for you. Now, can you write for the remaining terminals? I will give for this one. Now I need to get, you need to get the some more values here. A is equal to, I will write some name here, or otherwise write your college name. I required Malla will be separate, Reddy will be the separate, college will be separate, off will be separate, engineering will be separate, and will be separate, technology will be separate. Mood anni separate ravala. I will be called one by one. Please say the program. Roll number 15, 315, 315. Roll number 315. Please unmute. Roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
I required Malla, only Malla will be the output. How can I write this one? Only Malla and then output raval. How to give the indexing for this one? Just count it. Just count the words. How many words are there?
5.
Tell me. Print, ox.
Hmm.
What is your variable? Variable ఏది?
మళ్ళా
Variable. What is the variable?
A
A. Square brackets open. What is your starting value?
M
Starting indexing value.
0
0. And then up to where required. ఎక్కడి వరకు కావాలని చెప్పాం మనకు?
మళ్ళా A
Just count it once.
5.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sorry sir.
Check it once. See here. 0, 1, 2,
3
3,
4
4. I required up to 4.
4. Yes sir.
Run the program. See here. A is not appeared. That means we need to give the before number, after
5
number.
before. Okay sir.
5. Run it. Now see here. It is printing now.
Ah.
Can anyone say for the both Malla Reddy? I required up to Reddy. Malla Reddy. Both will be same. Can anyone? Can anyone say for me?
sir.
Print.
A
A
0 to 10.
A is equal. Either it is required to write 0. I already said that required means colon, write here 10. Sorry, it will be the
11, sir.
Consider the space also. Don't forget. Consider the space also. 0,
11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need to keep it as a 11. No need to write the 0 for every time. Use the colon. Okay, run the program. Now see here, Malarid. Now we represent the left to right. I required right to left. That means I need to going to be start from here. Idanta kavalna. Can anyone say how to write this one? Only technology from right to left. Negative values తీసుకొని చెప్పండి. Tell me. Consider the negative values and say the answer.
-1 to
-1 to tell me -1 to
-11.
-11. You can check it once. It is not printing, na? I use
-1
print
to -10.
-1 to -10. Say that -1 to -10. Not printing anything. It is showing empty value. -10 is to -1.
Yes.
Here. This formula, sorry, -11. Okay. What? 0 is not there. This for 1. No.
-1 sir.
Okay, like this, we need to going to be represent. Minus right time you have first bigger number, later will be the small number. Okay, in positive means normal number and then bigger number. Is it clear how to do this slicing?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
please.
clear, sir.
Please write on this one. Please write on the for the slice. Write on the first point. Rather than the first point, how we are going to be do the slice here. Slicing means first point. Slicing means a piece of word, a piece of letter in a given word. In a given word. In a given word. In a given word. Next point. ఏ సింబల్ వాడతాం బాబు స్లైసింగ్ చేయాలంటే which symbol we are going to be used for slicing purpose? Which symbol we are going to be used for slicing purpose? ఏ సింబల్స్ వాడినాం? Don't be calm. Tell me which symbols we use for slicing purpose.
Columns.
Square brackets. Slicing antene square brackets. Don't forget here. Square brackets. Right on there. Right on the simple. Right on the next point. By keeping the symbols. Symbols పెట్టుకొని ఇలా square brackets. Square brackets last one. Operator, square brackets, operator is called slicing operator. Is called slicing operator, slice operator, which can be used to retrieve parts of slicing, which can be used to retrieve parts of slicing parts of slicing, retrieve parts of string, parts of string. Full stop. Completed? Yeah, completed or not?
Completed, sir.
Right in this time. In Python, strings follows. In Python, strings follows zero-based index. Strings follows zero-based index. Zero-based index. Zero-based index. Zero-based index. List of the indexing value. The indexing value can be either positive and negative. It can be positive or negative. Either may be positive or negative. Full stop. Positive indexing means ఎలా మూవ్ అవుతుందో, how it is going to be moved? It is positive indexing means
left to right, sir.
Positive index means forward direction, within the brackets left to right, within the brackets left to right. Second one, where negative index means negative index ante babu
Backward direction, right to left.
Backward direction, right to left. Good. Pardon there. If you are completed, please write on this exam. Zero score. Note on this one. Note on this one. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. First to left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, please write in this program. Write in this one, please. All of you, write in this one. Write in this exam. Yeah, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm stopping here up to here. For tomorrow class, we'll be see what are the different types of methods are there in your strings. Built-in methods in your strings. We can see in the next class. That means how to capitalize. For example, I used all our small letters. For example, I'm going to be use A is equal to all our small letters. I need to going to be capitalize this one. I need to going to be capitalize this one. I need to going to be capitalize this one. How can I do? How can I do? Then I need to going to be do this letter as a smaller letters. How can I do? Okay, and then I need to going to be delete the words. Delete the word. How can I delete the word? How can I remove the word? These are the methods inbuilt methods which are there in your strings. Which are there in your strings. We can see the type of built-in methods in the next class. Okay. Any doubts up to here, please? Any doubts up to here?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts? Okay, please practice practice once. Here, no laptop is required for practicing purpose. If you have mobile, you can use directly with the help of mobile itself. Here, see, directly I'm using in internet only. It is not going to be used the software. Internet only you just not. You also do practice with your mobile directly by opening the software, Python online compiler, and then practice the programs which we are discussing in the class. Okay. If you have any doubts up to here, please. Please. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chandu sir, I'm making you as a host.